They literally shit on my wall. I'm pissed.
Wow. Oh, that's a Christmas present. She get to jump around and everything.
"我要睡觉觉啦，睡觉觉喽，睡觉，晚安。